Little fish swims in the bay, dancing softly all the way. Splash, splash. White horse flies up in the sky. Wings spread wide, going high like glass. Blue butterfly flutters free, dancing over flower and tree. Flutter. Little dragon learns to fly, sparkle shining in the sky. Whoosh, whoosh. Magic ghost floats in the blue, smiling softly just for you. Bright balloon goes to the sky, floating slowly up so high. Fly, fly. Big balloon moves calm and slow, across the sky it loves to go. High, high. Shiny bubble floats so light, suddenly gone out of sight. Hop, hop. Chubby panda, soft and round, rolling happily on the ground. Roll, roll. Carrying toys all day.